Hi guys, my name is Amber, and that's my husband Trey, and we've made a YouTube channel. We bought a 1980s foreclosed house for $70,000 cash about a year ago. We searched for the perfect home, we couldn't find it, and we figured we'll take a chance and see if we can make this into our dream home. But after starting our renovation, we quickly realized we definitely underestimated how much time and effort this was going to take because we are doing all the work ourselves with no experience. I made a TikTok just so we could learn and get some different ideas. And after just a few short months of sharing our house progress on there, we have 250,000 followers. In the beginning, we didn't have too much planned for this bathroom, honestly because we really didn't know how, but after we carefully tried to remove the tile and that was a disaster, we ended up teaching ourselves everything and we were able to do this entire bathroom for under $3,000. And now we have all of this new knowledge and we have learned how to do so many things along the way in different ways to save money during the process. We really want to share it all. And now that we have a channel, maybe you guys want to know a little bit more about Trey and I. We were just friends all through high school and college. And there for a little bit, I actually tried to get him to date some of my friends. But maybe it was the crazy Halloween costumes or our big beach trips. But somewhere along our journey, we fell in love with each other and we have been together for 10 years. And 3 years ago, we got married on a beach in Jamaica. Early on in our relationship, I started a small business, which required me to travel to festivals. But this business grew so quickly, he was able to quit his job in the coal mine and travel with me. And for 5 years, we've been saving all of our money for our dream home. Which brings us back here to what is not yet our dream home. But hopefully with our new knowledge and our hard work, we can make this place perfect. In the beginning, we thought we knew what we were doing. And then we realized we had no clue what we were doing. But we took a step back, we watched a lot of videos and did a lot of research, and then a lot of hands-on learning, and we have been busy these last few months, and it is crazy to even see these before photos. But that's just because I know how far we've already come. We have fixed major water problems, removed windows, and added doors. We have taught ourselves how to tile and did an entire bathroom. We cut down plywood to look like shiplap so we could inexpensively cover all the popcorn ceilings throughout our house. We built a kitchen island and then we designed and built a vent hood. Instead of spending money on a new kitchen, we went ahead and refinished the existing kitchen cabinets. We also built boxes for above the cabinets which give them an extended look. We did a batten board wall in our living room, and then we learned how to do waterproofing for the floor in our bathroom. We got a $650 estimate to install these glass doors, and we did it in 2 short hours. We laid hardy backer on the floor in the back master bathroom, and we have gotten really good at cutting tile. I designed our window trim from one-buys, and we have also learned how to use some heavy machinery. We have also been able to add a driveway for a fraction of the estimated cost. And then with all the money saved, we were able to order our dream couch. We really appreciate you guys supporting our journey. For more constant updates, you can check out our TikTok. But please subscribe to our channel and we'll do some how-tos and more detailed videos.